You know what you do when you lose the keys to your car?
Veste, kaj storite, kadar izgubite ključe od avtomobila?
You look for them
Iščete jih,
until you find them.
dokler jih ne najdete.
And if you don't find them,
In če jih ne najdete,
you look for them more.
potem jih še bolj iščete.
And then you get your family to look for them.
In potem povabite družino, da vsa družina išče ključe.
And your dog.
In vaš pes.
Why?
Zakaj?
Because you need the keys.
Zaradi tega, ker zares potrebujete te ključe.
What do I need?
Kaj pa jaz potrebujem?
Peace.
Mir.
Not arms and legs.
Ne roke in noge.
Truth.
Resnico.
Nick, you're ugly.
Nik, ti si grd.
Well, how do you know if that's the truth or not?
Kako pa veš, da je to resnica ali ne?
Nick, you're nothing.
Nik, ti nisi nič.
How do you know the truth?
Kako veš, kako poznaš resnico?
I am wonderfully and fearfully made.
Jaz sem čudovito ustvarjen.
That's what the Bible says.
Tako pravi Sveto pismo.
He formed me in my mother's womb.
Oblikoval me je že v materinem telesu.
That's what the Bible says.
Tako pravi Sveto pismo.
Oh, Nick, God's punishing you because you're a bad boy and your parents did something bad and now God's punishing you.
Ne, Nik, Bog te kaznuje. Veš, da gotovo si naredil nekaj slabega ali tvoji starši so naredili nekaj slabega in ti si slab fant.
No, sickness, disease and death didn't come until Satan came.
Ne, bolezen, slabosti, šibkosti niso prišle, dokler ni prišel na svet Satan.
And God could have made us as robots to be forcing to be loving him, or now we have a choice.
In Bog bi nas lahko vse ustvaril kot robote in nas prisilil, da ga vedno ljubimo. Namesto tega pa nam je dal na razpolago svobodno odločitev.
I know that I'm a sinner.
Jaz se zavedam, da sem grešnik.
And today I'm under construction.
In še danes sem v obdelavi.
It's not about being perfect.
Ne gre se za to, da si popoln,
It's about living the life that God has for you.
ampak gre za to, da živiš to življenje, ki ti ga je dal Bog.
God answered my prayer
Bog je odgovoril na mojo molitev
very clearly
zelo jasno,
when I was 15 years old.
ko sem imel 15 let.
I read about a man who was born blind
Bral sem o človeku, ki je bil rojen slep.
and no one knew why I was born this way.
In nihče ni vedel, zakaj je bil tak rojen.
No one knew why this man who was born blind was born this way.
In tudi za mene niso vedeli, zakaj sem bil rojen tak, kot sem.
Parents,
Ne
the
starši,
doctors,
ne zdravniki,
no one knew.
nihče ni vedel.
Remember me? Why?
Se spomnite mene, ko sem se spraševal, zakaj?
You know what Jesus said?
Veste, kaj je rekel Jezus?
It was done so that the works of God would be revealed through him.
To se je zgodilo zato, da bi bila preko njega razodeta čudovita Božja dela.
You know what I said?
In veste, kaj sem takrat rekel?
The blind man didn't have to know the plan that God had.
Slepi človek ni potreboval vedeti načrta, ki ga je imel Bog zanj.
I don't know what plan he has,
Tudi jaz ne vem, kakšen načrt ima Bog
but
z
if I
menoj.
believe,
Ampak če bom
he
verjel,
will fulfill his plan.
potem bo on izpolnil načrt za moje življenje.
So I said, God,
Takrat sem rekel, Bog,
if you're real,
če si ti resničen,
give me arms and legs.
potem mi daj roke in noge.
But more than arms and legs,
Ampak bolj kot roke in noge,
forgive me of my sins.
odpusti mi grehe,
Release me.
sprosti me,
Give me peace.
daj mi mir,
Take my guilt,
vzemi vso mojo krivdo,
my shame.
moj sram,
I can't even change myself.
ne morem se niti sam spremeniti.
You change me.
Ti spremeni mene.
And God,
In Bog,
if you made me this way,
če si me že naredil takega,
just so one more person comes to heaven,
če si me naredil takega, da bi vsaj ena oseba prišla v nebesa,
having one soul in heaven for eternity
če bi bila ena duša zaradi tega v večnosti,
is amazing.
potem je to
If
neverjetno.
you could use me
Če me ti lahko takega uporabiš
for one soul,
samo za enega človeka,
I give my life to you.
potem sem ti voljan in ti predajam svoje
Because
življenje.
in the end,
Ker na koncu koncev
I take nothing but my soul.
ne bom vzel ničesar s seboj, razen svoje duše.
No material,
Nobene materialne
just my
stvari,
soul.
samo svojo dušo.